Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about mirror dashcams. A mirror dashcam is a type of dashcam that mounts over your existing rearview mirror. It has a built-in display that replaces the mirror, so you can still see behind you, while also viewing the dashcam footage. Mirror dashcams typically have two cameras, one for the front and one for the rear, so you can record video of everything that's happening around your car. There are many advantages to using a mirror dashcam. First, it's very discreet and easy to install. Since it mounts over your existing rearview mirror, there's no need to drill holes or use adhesives. Second, it provides a wider field of view than a traditional rearview mirror. This is because the built-in display is larger than the mirror itself. Third, it can record video in high quality. Most mirror dash cams record video in 1080p or higher resolution, so you can get clear and detailed footage of accidents or other incidents. Here are some of the features that you can find in a mirror dash cam. Resolution. The resolution of the dash cam will determine the quality of the video footage. Higher resolutions, such as 4K, will provide clearer and more detailed footage. Field of view. The field of view of the dash cam will determine how much of the road and surrounding area is captured in the video footage. A wider field of view is better for getting a complete picture of what's happening around your car. Night vision. Night vision allows the dash cam to record clear video footage in low light conditions. Parking mode. Parking mode allows the dash cam to record video even when your car is parked. This can be helpful if your car is hit while you're away. GPS tracking. GPS tracking can record the location and speed of your car at the time of an incident. This can be helpful for insurance claims or legal purposes. Mirror dash cams can be a great way to protect yourself in the event of an accident. They can also be used to record other incidents, such as road rage or hit-and-run accidents. If you're looking for a discreet and easy-to-use dashcam with a wide field of view and high-quality